Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today is quite exciting. You do know that I am crazy about power banks. Today's unboxing is the Omnicharge Ultimate. I have the Omnicharge Pro that they launched before in Indiegogo. I had two of those actually, so now I'm only left with one. Why? It's because I think sometime last year I tried to take apart the entire power bank and I totally destroyed it. No, it wasn't faulty. I just wanted to upgrade the 18650 batteries inside. I still have the Anker Power Pro that I used to. I had four of these. I'm only left with two. This would be the 6th year I'm using it. So you know, for power banks, you know, the lifespan is typically like what, 3 years. I've been using this for close to 6 years. So I think Anker, they make very good power banks. So if you guys are in the market to look for a power bank, I would definitely highly recommend Anker. But other than that, a very cheap alternative, something like this. I bought it from AliExpress. If the power bank starts to drop in power, just replace it. Alright, just replace the batteries inside. These are the regular 18650 batteries. You can just replace them for high drain ones, regular ones, and you save the environment. Alright, so these are the power banks that I have. And take note, the charging station over here, it's wired to my solar panel setup outside my room, so everything runs on renewable energy. Yep, all the power banks in my household runs on renewable energy. I do not charge it from the grid. So anyway, on to the unboxing. So yes, really excited. I backed this last year. Omnicharge Pro came out with the Ultimate, and I was actually really quite excited about getting hold of it. I was waiting for the Europe version, or in Singapore we use the 230 volts. So that was launched a little bit later. The 110 started rolling out for North America. So I waited for the 230 volt version. Anyway, it's here. This came in a package, and this as well. So this is just a power plug that they include in the packaging. And it's quite surprising that the box that it came in with was really quite shabby, you know. Yeah, so don't get too turned off by that box that it arrives in. What you see, the contents, which are these. Alright, so this is the charging brick, alright, that you charge your Omnicharge Pro Ultimate with. Alright, take note that the Omnicharge Ultimate allows you to charge using a solar panel. Alright, so one of the options, or one of the perks that you could actually pick up was the 70 watt solar panel. I would recommend the 100 watt panel that you could get from Amazon, and then you can just hook it up to your Omnicharge Ultimate. Alright, so this box over here, I purchased an additional battery for the Omnicharge Ultimate. So let's have a look at the battery first, the spare battery. So the reason why I decided to back the Omnicharge Ultimate is because of the build quality. Can you imagine, right? I tried to take apart the Omnicharge Pro that I had before in the past. Yeah, I totally wrecked it. Okay, so I'm actually very impressed with the build quality. It was almost impossible for me to take it apart. So this is a spare battery that comes as another perk that you could pick up when you order, or when you pre-order the Omnicharge Ultimate. And this battery pack is 40,300 milliamp hours, so it's equivalent to about 145 watt hours. So technically you could even charge your PMD. So this is like a mini cable that you could just charge or connect to your spare battery. Alright, you could just connect it in this manner. Very nice. Okay, so this is the spare battery. Let's move on to the main unboxing itself for the Omnicharge Ultimate. Damn. And this is quite a beast. Okay, this is a big battery pack. It's not small. Not small at all. Alright, so after fumbling with this unit for a while now, and the spare battery that I purchased, just remember that whenever you want to replace the spare battery, Now the screws have already been removed. What you need to do is to make sure you peel away along the sides, because this is a silicone thing that actually goes into the gap to prevent water from getting into the gap over here. So once you peel it to the side, you would see like you got a good amount of space over here to then remove the battery like so. So it becomes a lot easier. So again, I have to highlight to Omnicharge that you might want to say this, or at least explain how you're gonna remove the spare battery. If not, people are just gonna fumble with it. Guys, remember to just peel the silicone to the side to make sure that the replacement, it's gonna be a lot easier. Okay, even when you slot this thing back, make sure it's not catching, and then you just push it in, and then voila, it's just that simple. Alright, cool. I need to go and calibrate this battery. Alright, so I started charging at 4:10 p.m. and I just managed to discharge the entire battery. Let's see how long it's gonna take until full charge. It's been almost, it's been almost 1 hour 10 minutes. So where are we at right now? Okay, it's almost 50%. So I guess it's safe to say that this would take almost 3 hours from the wall plug to charge up fully and entirely. So this is the Omnicharge Ultimate. I don't think it's disappointed me. I was a little bit worried about the connector and how it would line up, and then I was just fumbling with that. But I guess I kind of got the idea that you would then have to, push the rubber back into the grooves where the spare battery, or where the battery compartment goes into. So you see, so you can just like push this back, and then you're good to go. Now, one thing you might be asking is, what do I do with these spare screws? I would say just keep these tiny screws aside, because if you're not like me, you didn't buy the spare battery, you might want to keep the screws fastened. But if you already purchased the spare battery, then you might want to just take them all out and then just keep it aside, And as mentioned, I will be back again. If you have questions about the Omnicharge Ultimate, this is literally the ultimate. This is probably the biggest capacity power bank that I've ever purchased in my life. I'm excited that it arrived. I'm excited that I unboxed it with you guys. And if you have questions, do feel free to ask. Let me know. This thing can go up to 160 watts, so your MacBooks, maybe even some of your gaming laptops would not be a problem. So outfield, if you have a solar panel, this would be the ultimate power bank to bring along with you. I think you would have you will have an entire day of fun using this power bank together with all your electronic devices. My Dualtron Raptor giveaway, it's on now, Mondays to Thursdays. Go to 8 Korean BBQ, have yourself a good meal for lunch or for dinner, collect the receipts, and you never know, you might win the Dualtron Raptor. Somebody chimed in on my channel the other day saying that he has been there 31 times, but I don't think it's possible, because the competition or the giveaway was only out like what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. If you go there every day twice, it's impossible to collect 31 receipts. But anyways, until the next video, you guys take care, and I will see you soon. And remember to subscribe. Bye.